Welcome to Coast Vacations, the platform that will enable you to search, find, and book affordable stays in beautiful, luxurious resorts around the world. Let's take a quick look at how it works. Say I'd like to take a vacation in the Canary Islands. I'd type in my preferred destination here, and then be able to choose from the many options available. I can view the options either in a list form here on the right, or on the map view by zooming in and clicking on a pin to see the details of each resort. When you click on a resort, you'll see its rating, the size options of the room, and the available weeks to book, along with the pricing per week. To reserve a booking, you'll need to log in and then click Reserve to Book or Hold to hold the price for up to 24 hours. Or alternatively, contact our support team and we'll process the reservation for you. If you're interested in seeing the surroundings of a resort, you can use the Google Map feature by dragging this icon onto the spot you'd like to virtually walk around in. You can switch to the list view at any time, as well as search for specific availability for weeks you'd like to plan your trip. Coast to Coast prides itself in only showing properties that are available. Let's take a look at the options in Miami. Click View to see the property details. Here you can see photos of the resort, the occupancy it sleeps, its amenities, policies, and additional details. Coast to Coast is here to help you book the perfect accommodation for your next vacation. So if you're looking for a specific hotel or resort which you can't find, contact us with the information you have and we'll see what we can do to get it booked for you even if you don't see it on the site. We're here to get you to your dream destination. Thanks for watching this quick video. We look forward to hearing from you.